Okay, so this is MainBrain update number 9, and I made a couple changes to the menu system. First, I got rid of the sleep function under the display menu. Now I need to know the coordinates of the touch when I program various graphic functions. So this is the voltage representation that the ADC converter reads from the touch screen. And so in coordinates, 0, 0 is upper left corner, which is the lowest reading of voltage for the X and Y axis. And then the largest reading will be in the lower right corner. Later I'm going to add voltage readings, the actual voltage, and then the actual pixel location coordinates. So then, second, I got rid of the big exit buttons because they take up a lot of space. And now there's an X. The exit is just press the X, kind of like Windows, in the upper right corner. And it takes you back to the main menu. And that's with all of them. I did all the menus. Okay.